guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mellow here. So in today's video, before I say what I normally say, this is my giveaway video. So I wanted to do a giveaway when I get to 500 subscribers. I'm only at like 3 something now, but I want to show you guys in this video what I am going to be giving away, and this is going to be the official giveaway video. So to enter my giveaway, all you're going to need to do is just comment below and make sure that you're subscribed. And on your comment, just leave me a comment saying where you are in your nail journey, whether you're a beginner, whether you're, advanced, or wherever you are. Just leave me a comment, let me know that. And then also share this video, because I am trying to get to 500 subscribers before I give away the prizes. So that's it. So you must be subscribed. Just leave me a comment, let me know where you are in your nail journey, and then share the video. You can share it wherever, Facebook, wherever, whatever social media platform you want to, and you can just tag me in it, just at Mello'Z Nailz. And that's it. So now I'm going to show you guys what I'm giving away once I get to 500. So the first thing is going to be this nail drill. Now, I bought this, never used it. You can see it's all still in the plastic. So everything is here, the instructions, everything comes with the brush. It even comes with a glove, and then this is the hand piece. So it's basically just the hand piece and the plug. There's no like base or anything like that. It looks like to adjust the power, it's actually on the plug, the speed control. It's on the plug. It comes with the glove and just all the normal stuff that you usually get with the drill, the pieces, and then the sanding bands. You get the mandrel bit for the sanding bands, and then it also comes with these. It looks like buffers and other things like that. So that's the first thing I'm giving away. And then I don't know if you guys have seen on my I posted on my Instagram, and it's usually in my videos as well, and in the description bar of my videos. I have a site where I sell merchandise, and this was like my first product, and this is what I'm going to be giving away. I gave one of these away in my last giveaway, and I'm going to give another one away. So this is what I'm giving away. This coffee mug, just a regular size coffee mug. And it says, I do my own nails. And these are for purchase on my website as well. So I'll have that link below like I always do. And then I figured I'm gonna also give away this. Now it is essential oils. So I know for those of us who, work in our homes and have problems getting rid of the monomer scent, you can actually use these in your, like a wax in a burner or some kind of candle burner, or oil burner, I'm sorry. And you can use these essential oils in that. And let me just open it up and show you what these look like. I haven't used any of these either, so these are brand new in the box. And it comes with this that tells you what's all in here. There's 6 of them, so it has lavender, peppermint, tea tree, frankincense, rosemary, and eucalyptus. And it tells you how you can use them in here. And look at these bottles. These are so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to give this away as well. So yeah, those are what I'm giving away. And unfortunately, this giveaway is only going to be US only, because I know the shipping to other places is crazy, and I got caught up with that last time. So I'm only going to do this one for US only. And yeah, so like I said, I'll post the rules and everything in the description box. This is going to be the official giveaway video. And like I said, once I get to 500, that's when I'm going to give the prizes away. So you guys, I'd appreciate any help. You're sharing, you're, letting people know. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers so I can get there. So yeah, so this is going to be the first part of this video. Well, not the first part. I think I am just going to do a separate nail video, but yeah, this is the giveaway video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and enter. Tell your friends, tell everybody. And yeah, guys, thanks so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.